In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove scroll animations on your Wix website. If you want your content to feel more dynamic as visitors move down the page, scroll animations are a simple way to add polish without rebuilding your design. They're great for drawing attention to key sections, guiding the eye, and creating a sense of flow, so long as they're used thoughtfully and consistently. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and selecting the exact element you want to animate. This can be a text box, button, image, strip, or any other item on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and controls around it. With the element selected, look for the Animate option in the toolbar. Click it to open the animation panel for that element. To add an animation, choose a scroll effect, such as fade, slide, or zoom. Each effect has its own feel. Fade is subtle and professional, slide adds direction and motion, and zoom can be more attention-grabbing. As you try options, the editor typically shows an instant preview so you can see how the element will behave as someone scrolls past it. Once you've picked your effect, adjust the duration to control how quickly the motion completes. A shorter duration feels snappier, while a longer one feels more gradual. You can also set the direction if the effect allows it, for example, sliding in from the left to align with how the user reads the layout, or from the bottom to mirror natural scrolling. Aim for settings that complement your content rather than distract from it. If you decide an element doesn't need movement, removing the effect is just as straightforward. With the same element selected, open the animate panel again and choose None or Remove Animation. This restores the element to a static state, keeping your design clean and focused. You can do this for one element or repeat it for any others you want to simplify. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Use animations sparingly to highlight important areas, not every element on the page. Keep durations consistent across similar sections to maintain a cohesive feel. Consider direction carefully so motion supports how visitors naturally scan your page. And remember that simpler effects like fades tend to age better and perform reliably across devices. That's all there is to it. Select your element, click Animate, choose and tune a scroll effect, or set it to None if you want it gone. With these steps, you can confidently shape how your content appears as people scroll, creating a smoother, more engaging experience.